What's up, YouTube? I finally got the Exotons. I'm gonna set it up for you and give you my thoughts. Stay tuned. So I wanted to set up this Exoton S-1503 speaker for you. It came in on February 27th. I'm just gonna do the short poll. Packaging was really nice. Like everyone's been saying, it was really nice. So I didn't expect anything less. Short pull in there. Cable bag is still in the plastic here. And then you got your top speaker. Just goes right there on top. Simple and easy setup. I got these on Friday, February 27th. Used them at a gig at my kid's school. And then the very next day on Saturday, February 28th, I used them at a wedding. Gonna cut it on here. That's it. That's the setup. Just like with the Lotaways, it's a quick setup. It doesn't take any time. The white on here, the paint is very vibrant, very bright, kind of like a, I don't know, optic white or something like that. At my wedding on February 28th, I got several compliments from different people saying how much they loved my setup with the white speakers, the white podium style DJ booth. A lot of compliments. And there was a noticeable hiss. There was a hiss. But there was nothing I can do about it at the time. So, all right, I'm going to turn the volume up. It is on. It is in normal DSP mode. Do y'all hear anything now? I do hear a little bit of a hiss, but not much. I have a set of JBL PRX. I have the 812s and 815s. And on those speakers, I get the same type of hiss on those. And those were, what, $800, $900 speakers. So it does have two inputs on it. Line A and line B. On line A, that is your Bluetooth RCA and its line level. And then on the other input, it is mic/line. So you can change that to either a mic level for your microphones or line level. And then there is a mix out on this as well. So let me connect it to Bluetooth and play a little bit of a sound for you. And I'll keep my external microphone on so you can hear it through there. And then I'll also turn off my microphone so you can hear it through my iPhone microphone. Turning it up. Let me turn it up on my phone here. 10 o'clock on the back. All right, I'm gonna step out in front of it and you can hear it through my microphone here. on the speaker, they are really good. I really am pleased with the sound of these speakers. The look, of course, is top notch. The the new updates that they've made to it with the silver emblem here on the base, subwoofer base, and the top is good. I kind of like that it's flat up here, although that's gonna encourage folks to put their drinks on. I probably would like to have seen maybe a handle right here. I know Daniel Maines is very he really likes handles on top of the speaker base right there. The inputs with just two inputs, very minimal. I kind of like that, as opposed to the Lottaway, which the Lottaway's got 3 or 4 input options. It does have a mix out. I love the Bluetooth. It's very good. It's a very good speaker. Not even just for the price, just for in general. It's a very good speaker. I just can't believe how Exoton did it with delivering a product with good aesthetics, great sound. The low end is superb. DJ Too Legit was spot on. The bass, the low end is really nice. I had uh, the wedding hall thumping on Saturday night, and just for the price, I don't know how they're doing it, but I would definitely endorse, recommend, go go ahead and pre-order these. I know that they're sold out and they're not going to be shipped until mid or late March to April. Go ahead and get these. If you want that white setup for your wedding, these are going to be my go-to speakers for the foreseeable future. I do have a set of the JBL PRXs, and I will compare the two in another video, so be on the lookout for that. Not sure when I'm going to do that. But yeah, I mean, sounds great. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers, so I would love your help. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. This is DJ So, Daddy by day, DJ by night. God bless. Let me show you how I break it down, just so you know kind of my process, and also to give you a tip if you're not doing this. I will show you how I break this down. So usually you would take the top off, take the pole off, and then put them in the bag. But what you need to do is go ahead and cover it. Go ahead and cover it with your bag, then take it off. So that way you don't have to worry about where you're going to lay it down when you put your bag on it. Same thing for the pole. Before you take it off, go ahead and just slip that on there. And then you can detach it from the base. Trash day today. Then you can set your bag for your tops right here. And I'm going to keep my cord, keep my cable in the bag. That way it's always in there. And then for your top, I like to put the speaker grill towards this middle divider padding. That way it stays protected. And this bag is really nice. It does have a pocket back here to put stuff in if you want. It's got 2 flaps on the side for the handles to get access to the handles. And then this nice embroidered Exoton branding right there. Bags for the tops, bags for the base, 2 poles. Yeah, you can't beat that. Great price. So go check them out.